Top performing or highly active stocks, recent trend, February 2026 monthly leaders best performers, strong gains as of mid-February 2026, FSLY Fastly, Inc. Jor 98%, February 2026 YTD gain leader, Val Jor 66%, CPS Jor 43%, TPH Jor 38%, REIT Jor 36%. These have been among the biggest gainers through early February 2026 YTD top performers. Broader trend, Cosmos Energy Limited, Jor 88% YTD TROX Tronox Holdings Jor 84% CC, symbol, Jor 67.5%, shows broader thematic strength among energy and material stocks in 2026. Sector or trend themes driving markets. Energy or resources. The energy sector has outperformed broader markets with solid gains and projected upside for several stocks due to strong oil prices and sector rotation away from tech. Market rotation, defensive picks, market volatility and tech weakness have pushed investors toward defensive and non-tech stocks, consumer staples, energy or certain industrials. Stocks with bullish technical or momentum signals. While official intraday lists for the 16th of February aren't yet published, based on recent momentum and volume trends, momentum, rising stocks Fastly, Inc. FSLY, strong momentum in monthly rankings. Cosmos Energy, COS, leading year to date. Technical leadership hints. Containers, packaging group showed strength recently, e.g., Smurfit Westrock earning high RS rating. Oversold, potential reversal candidates. Some stocks show oversold conditions that traders watch for bounce potential, indicative, not a recommendation. Oversold RSI lists. Recent, Amazon, AMZN, RSI 23 Thermo Fisher Scientific, TMO, RSI 21 Salesforce, CRM, RSI 21 Intuitive Surgical, ISRG, RSI 29, low RSI suggests potential for short-term technical rebound if market conditions improve. Market conditions to watch on the 16th of February 2026. Market volatility elevated, tech stocks under pressure recently. Energy and defensive sectors showing relative strength. Most active stocks list indicates heightened trading volume, a key indicator of liquidity and interest. Tips for traders. Context summary. Trend traders might focus on strong momentum stocks like FSLY and COS. Mean reversion traders could watch oversold names for bounce plays. Sector rotation suggests energy and defensive stocks may outperform short-term tech weakness. If you want a live list of most active stocks with prices and volumes for the 16th of February 2026, tell me which exchange you are focusing on, e.g., NSE India, NYSE, Nasdaq.